Alibaba just made headlines. They banned employees from using Claude Code. That's Anthropic's AI coding assistant. Half the developer world now uses it every single day to ship code faster. When a mega company classifies something as high-risk software, they're not being casual about it. They're not banning it because the features are bad. They're banning it because Claude Code represents a real threat to them. Maybe to their proprietary IP. Maybe to their competitive position. Maybe to their relationship with Beijing. Something about this tool scared them enough to issue this ban. A company of Alibaba's scale doesn't do this lightly. When they act, others pay attention. The fact that they felt compelled to move signals something bigger. Something bigger is happening in enterprise AI right now. This isn't just another corporate policy memo. It's a window into the AI conflicts heating up globally. So what exactly is Claude Code? It's Anthropic's AI pair programmer. Think of it like having a senior engineer in your IDE. Available 24/7. You describe what you need and it writes the code. Or paste something broken and ask for a fix. It integrates directly into VS Code, JetBrains, your editor of choice. Instantly. Developers love it because it's genuinely fast. No waiting around. It handles complex tasks, full function implementations, database migrations, entire features. Works with Python, JavaScript, Go, SQL, literally any language you're coding in. The key difference: it doesn't just generate snippets. It understands your entire codebase, asks clarifying questions, produces production-ready code. Not garbage that needs major rewrites. It's become essential infrastructure for modern development teams. That's exactly why Alibaba's nervous. So here's what actually happened. In early March, Alibaba's security team flagged Claude Code in an internal memo. They called it high-risk software. Why? Because their developers were using it to write code. Sounds obvious, but here's the real issue: speed.
Claude Code compresse workflow dramatically.
One person writes in days what used to take a team weeks. That means fewer code reviews. That means fewer human checkpoints. That means it's harder to track what's actually being deployed where. In enterprise environments, that's genuinely terrifying. You can't have AI writing critical infrastructure code without full visibility. So the memo's recommendation was clear: a ban. But Alibaba executives went pale. What if other teams were already using it? What if code was already in production somewhere? They needed control restored. Fast. Inside Alibaba's walls, roughly 20,000 engineers just lost their primary coding assistant. Claude Code isn't optional anymore. It's completely gone. They're scrambling to find alternatives now. In-house tools, GitHub Copilot, proxies, whatever workaround might work. But there's a real, measurable cost here. A feature that took 2 hours takes 4 now. Debugging takes longer. Code reviews pile up. It's not catastrophic. It's just friction. For you, the developer outside China, nothing changes today. Claude Code still works fine. You keep shipping normally. But watch this very carefully. If Alibaba's cloud can ban a tool, yours can too. Amazon, Google, Microsoft. What's actually stopping them? This sets a precedent nobody's talking about. It's not about Claude specifically. It's about who controls your development environment. And that matters far more than you think. This isn't just Alibaba's problem anymore. Over the last 18 months, it's everywhere. Microsoft, Google, Samsung, JP Morgan, and Meta are all restricting Claude internally. Meta banned it from employees entirely in 2024. The pattern is crystal clear. Executives fear source code leaking into training data. They've all seen the demos. Someone pastes proprietary code. The model regurgitates it back perfectly. Some companies now run Claude only on air-gapped, isolated networks. Others demand full audit logs before granting any engineer access whatsoever. The irony is sharp. Tools built to accelerate development now need fortress-level security clearance. That's not a minor inconvenience for development teams. It's fundamentally reshaping how enterprises approach AI adoption strategies. Every major tech firm is running the same exact calculation right now, and most are choosing safety over speed. Here's what you should actually do. First, audit your code repos now. Check if you're using Claude in production. Be honest with your team about it. Second, contact Alibaba for official guidance if you're enterprise tier. Their restrictions might not apply to your use case. Third, diversify your AI tools. Relying on one provider puts you at real risk. Mix Claude with open source models, local alternatives, whatever fits your workflow. Fourth, stay informed. These bans won't be the last. Follow official announcements from your tools, not Twitter panic spirals. The coding world is shifting. AI tools will face scrutiny, but that doesn't mean you stop building. It means you build smarter, more deliberately. Subscribe for more on what's actually happening in AI enterprise. We cut through the noise weekly. Like this video if you're hedging your bets on tooling. See you next week.